So hello everyone, myself Pirevrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video I'll be discussing about the ChargePoint Off-Campus Drive 2022. So it is hiring for the software engineer test intern position. That means it's a internship position. Before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. And one more thing, you can apply for this Paytm off campus drive as well. So Paytm is hiring for the sales executive profile. So salary will be getting 4 LPA for the freshers, and 0 to 3 years of experienced candidates can apply, and non-IT candidates can also apply, not an issue. And if you are applying for this off campus, simply click on the register for the test, because it's a reliable platform, and in a reliable platform, if you are willing to apply for any profile or any specific profile, then you have to take the test related to that field or category. That means it's a sales profile, so you have to apply for the, or you have to register for the business development profile or business development test. So there are many tests, as I like discussed earlier or in our previous video. There are other profiles or the job tests are available as well, and these are the recently hired candidate names. People are being placed in CureFit and Azure Pay and Yellow AI, etc. These are the very good companies, you all know. And yeah, it's totally free of cost. You can register and give the test, and you can get placed in your dream companies. And after once you have booked the slot or the test, it's absolutely free, and you can practice the mock test, and you can go through the syllabus and the sample questions you can practice, so that you can score a very good score or result. So now let's discuss about this profile or job opportunity. So they are hiring for the iOS testing or the test intensive position it is. And you will be reporting to the senior software QA manager. That means quality assurance manager. You will be your manager or senior. So as a software engineer QA intern, you will be helping the testing new and existing features as a ChargePoint mobile app for the phone, smartwatch, and the car, and etc. These are the like application they are building, and you need to, as a testing engineer or test engineer or the intern, you have to check the or test the application. That means the automation testing, obviously. And you need to test and report the mobile QA app, etc. And so now let's discuss about the skills required for this off campus: understanding of algorithms, data structure, and object oriented programming, familiar with one or more following programming languages like Java or Python, etc., interested in engineering of iOS or the Android application, because it's an Android application. And one thing, it's paid intensive, and second thing is the product based company. That means if you are doing work in a product based company or doing intensive in a product based company, then the culture will be different and many things will be able to know. So I would suggest all of you to apply for this off campus, and the location is Gurgaon location. And I don't know whether they will be providing you the work from home opportunity, but I guess it will be work from home one, because it's an internship profile. So if you are willing to apply, simply click on the fill up all the details here. This is the application process, or the page is there in the same page. So first name you need to provide, last name, email address, phone number, location, resume you need to attach your updated resume. Then after that you need to provide, do you have experience in algorithm, data structure, and the object oriented programming, yes or no. You need to type. Have you worked upon testing on the testing of the mobile application, yes or no. Do you have experience in Java or Python, yes or no. For how many months you are available for the internship. So minimum 4 to 6 months you need to provide or mention. Do you have experience in creating test plans, test cases, and reporting bugs, yes or no. You need to provide. Then after that you need to select a gender, or it is not mandatory. Then once it is done, then you need to click on the submit application. So this is all about the application process. And if you ask me about the year of pass out or the batch criteria, any year of pass out or the batch candidates can apply. It's a intensive profile, so mostly 2021 or 2023 year of pass out or the batch candidates can apply, but there is no restriction. Any qualification or the background candidates can also apply, not an issue. Mechanical or the civil candidates can also apply, not a big deal. If you have the relevant like certification in the testing, then it's well and good, you may get the full-time opportunity as well. So I hope you all are able to understand. So thank you for watching and all the best with your job search.